DPS Bokaro and ITL. They are going to present. Okay, to whom should I give the co-host right?
Sir, I will be presenting, so I
Okay,
have the.
okay, Gauri, I'm giving you the co-host right. Now you are the co-host. You can start your presentation.
Okay, sir.
Others, please, my humble request, keep yourself on mute. Yes, Gauri. Sorry, Molly, Gauri, and Anushka, you can start.
So just a minute, I'll be joining while renaming myself.
Not a problem. You can start with that only if you want. And if you have not shared your presentation in the group, those who are presenting today, please do share also for the benefit of others. Yes, please start.
Anushka, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ryansh?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so good evening, everyone. I'm Gauri, and with my co leader, Anushka, our team is going to present the budget allocation newsletter with portfolios of 23 companies and how we invested in them. Firstly, we'll be understanding the metrics and rationale. First is the debt to equity ratio and why it matters. A low debt to equity ratio indicates financial stability and lower bankruptcy risk. For most sectors, a lower debt to equity ratio is below 1 and is preferred, but capital intensive sectors like banks, utilities, and infrastructure may run higher ratios due to their business models. Excessive leverage can amplify returns in good times but increase risk during downturns. Second, we have valuation in PE in context. The PE ratio must be interpreted relative to sector growth and risk. High growth sectors like IT and consumer often trade at higher PEs, justified by superior earnings growth. Value lies in companies with reasonable PEs, strong growth, and high return ratios. Third, we have return metrics, which is ROE and ROCE. ROE measures profitability for shareholders. More than 15% is a sign of efficient capital use. ROCE measures profitability from all capital, debt plus equity, and more than 15% is strong, especially for capital intensive sectors. Both should be evaluated over multi year periods and assess consistent and quality of earnings. Fourth, we have profit trend and cash flow. Consistent profit growth and positive operating cash flow are hallmarks of quality businesses. Cash flow analysis helps identify companies that convert profits into real cash, supporting dividends, reinvestment, and debt reduction. Lastly, we have 10-year sales growth. A high 10-year sales CAGR signals secular demand, execution capability, and resilience. It is a key filter for identifying long-term compounders. Next, I would like to give it to Anushka for portfolio and construction allocation.
Thank you so much, Gauri. Hello, everybody. A very scintillating evening to each one of you. I am Anushka Sharma, the co-leader of my team, and here I'll be presenting before you the portfolio construction and allocation done by our team. Starting with sectorial balance. So, exposure is spread across 8 major sectors with weights reflecting India's economic structure and future growth. Drivers, company weightings. So, our allocation is not equal. It is based on financial strength, growth, potential risk profile, and sectorial role. Blue chips and secular growth leaders receive higher allocations. Mid caps and emerging leaders are included for alpha. Talking about the risk management, no single stock exceeds 10% of the portfolio. Sector weights are capped to avoid concentration risk. Talking about ESG and dividend policy. So, preferences for companies with strong ESG practices and consistent dividend payouts, supporting both capital appreciation and income, have been chosen by us. Talking about sectorial allocation, so it's an approximate percentage that I'm going to share with you all about how much we have allocated to different sectors. Starting with IT, we've allocated 12%. Moving ahead with banking and financial, 16%. FMCG and consumer, 15%. Retail consumer services, 4%. Pharma and healthcare have got 8%. Then we have energy and utilities, where we have spent approximately 11%. Talking about infra and materials, it's again 8%. Chemical materials have been got 4%. Auto and mobility have got 9%. NBFCs have received 2%, along with electrical consumers, durables, and metal minings with 2% respectively. Now, this allocation ensures broad based exposure to India's growth engines with a tilt towards secular growth sectors, for example, IT, banking, FMCGs, and a healthy mix of defensive, FMCG, and utilities, cyclicals like auto and infra, and emerging leaders, chemicals and electricals have got this allocation. Now, why this project is important, dear ladies and gentlemen, well, constructing a diversified Indian equity portfolio, it's more than just an academic exercise for us. And it is a practical demonstration of how financial literacy translates into real world decision making. The importance of this project lies in its ability to bridge theoretical knowledge with that of the applied investment strategies. By allocating 50 lakh rupees across 25 companies, the portfolio showcases how capital can be strategically deployed to balance risk and reward. That's all from my side. Now I want Rayan to continue with the things.
Thank you, Anushka. So, good evening, everyone. I'm Priyansh Agarwal, and I will tell you about major application of the project and criteria used in selecting companies. So, first, major implications of the project. The implication of this portfolio extend beyond financial returns. It touch upon economic, educational, and strategic dimensions. On economic front, investing in diverse Indian companies reflects confidence in the country's growth trajectory from digital transformation in ID to consumption-driven expansion in FMCG and infrastructure-led development. Strategically, the portfolio demonstrates how investors can hedge risk, large cap anchors provide stability, mid cap firms offer growth acceleration, and emerging players add optionality for outside returns. Another implication is the awareness of valuation discipline. By comparing PE ratios with growth metrics, the project teaches that not all high growth companies are worth investing in at any price. Criteria used in selecting companies. The selection of companies was guided by a rigorous set of criteria designed to ensure both financial strength and sectoral diversity. First, quantitative metrics were prioritized. Companies were consistently high ROE and ROC, manageable debt to equity ratios, and positive cash flows were favored, as these indicate efficiency, profitability, and financial resilience. A few companies we have decided to invest in are as follows. First, Invoices, in which we invested rupees 3 lakh. We chose Invoices for its strong digital transaction capabilities and constant free cash flow. Over the next decade, we expect steady 8 to 12% revenue CAGR driven by cloud AI and automation. Second is TCS, in which we invested rupees 3 lakh. TCS anchors our IT exposure with unmatched scale and durable margins. We expect it to remain a global leader in outsourcing, compounding steadily at double-digit growth. Third is HDFC Bank, in which we invested rupees 4
Thank you,
lakh.
Riyans.
HDFC,
Thank you, Riyans. Thank you. Thank you. We have to follow the time. Thank you very much. But I was going through the presentation by you people. How many presentations you have seen by others? I don't know how good you people are. You are presenting in the same way as fund managers present their portfolio. I have attended a lot of portfolio presented by fund managers of Nippon, Kotak, SBI. They start in the same manner as Gauri and Molly have started, and they come to the conclusion of their stocks selection and all those things. You people are, I don't know how much research you did for this project.
Excuse me, sir, I would just like to rectify. I am Anushka. That's some
Sorry,
other
yes,
name.
yes, yes, Anushka.
Yes, sir.
Anika. How much effort you people did? How many portfolio you have seen before making your own portfolio?
Sir, it
I
was a
haven't really done a
teamwork, sir.
lot of them. None of us have.
How, how many?
None.
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 Then how you got to know, okay, first we are supposed to go for the broad criteria, then industry, then stock.
It
How
sounded right. It sounded
you-
right. You should have like an order, right? So we just
yes.
followed that
So,
order.
so how you decided this order?
We went through
Sir,
some things and we
yes,
saw
sir.
how to do it.
Was excellent, but your work is excellent. I have gone through the stocks also. You have selected very good stocks, and the presentation, the sequence of the presentation which you did, na, that is too good, too good.
Thank you, sir.
I'm proud of you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Let's move to the second team. Which
Sir,
is the
can
second?
we present?
Yes,
So
yes,
can we?
yes, Dhriti. Ah, this is Dhriti.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'll be
So
presenting and I have my
so
team with me.
so I'm giving you the co-host, right?
Yes.
Now you are the co-host.
So can I please share my screen?
Yes, yes, please.
Sir, can we please start?
Yes, please.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dhriti Nagpal, the team leader, and today our team is going to present the company's portfolio with my active interns, which are Prince and Ayush.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ayushi Chauhan, and I am the co-leader, and I am from Rubis Model School, Sector 4, Gurugram.
Hello everyone, my name is Prince.
Yes, please go ahead.
When we talk about the objective of this presentation, the objective of this task was to practically understand how our diversified investment portfolio is created by allocating a hypothetical amount of rupees 50 lakh across multiple large cap companies. The focus was on selecting fundamental strong and growing companies from different sectors to balance risk and return. To achieve this, we select 20 well-established Indian companies across sectors such as banking, IT, FMCG, energy, etc. These companies were chosen based on their market leadership, growth, potential, and financial stability.
When we talk about the portfolio composition, it shows that the higher allocation was given to banking and financial services due to a steady credit growth and strong fundamentals. FMCG and consumer companies provided stability, while IT and infrastructure offered growth and long term expansion opportunities. Energy and power stocks added exposure to India's structural and digital growth. The sectoral pie chart we can see here reflects proper diversification, ensuring that the portfolio is not overly dependent on a single sector. This helped in managing risk while maintaining the growth potential.
Unmute. Yes.
We have also analyzed portfolio performance using a line graph comparing the portfolio with Nifty 50. The portfolio showed better performance due to balanced sector allocation and exposure to quality large cap stocks. This highlights the importance of diversification and disciplined stock selection. Now, when we talk about Now, when we talk about sector allocation, banking and financing services took most of our investment, which is 30%. Then we talk about IT services, it took about 10% of our investment. Energy, power, and telecom took almost 20% of our investment. Lastly, infrastructure and industrialization took 10% of our investment. Learning from this project is through this project, we learned the importance of teamwork and the time management, as well as how to identify growing companies using the financial indicators such as PE and PB. We also understood the high valuation ratios, which can be justified in quality company with the strong fundamentals.
To conclude, I would say that this project has helped us apply theoretical investment knowledges which we read in BST books or commerce books to a practical scenario and enhanced our understanding of portfolio construction, risk management, as well as financial analysis. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dhriti. How you people came to this diversification part? How you can be too accurate? If you find Nifty, you will find approx 27-28% of Nifty goes for banking and financial, and you people have gone to 30%. Means you have just copied that. I don't know how you came to know all these things, and I can promise you, you go to the teachers. I have been a teacher for 20 years. If some bacha will would have come to me कि हाँ sir please tell us what I could have not explained this. After becoming a teacher of accountancy business study for 20 years, I was not aware of all those things. I'm very happy with your means research work. Very good.
Thank you so much,
Excellent.
sir. Sir,
Excellent
actually,
portfolio.
I would like to share that the companies which we selected, we were not satisfied with those companies. So we
Okay.
started again and found 20 more companies that would match our project and be accurately correct
I'm
as much as
telling
we could, because however knowledge we could
I'm
attain.
telling you, note the price of today's all these shares and check it after 10 years. You will be amazed. You all will be amazed the kind of companies you have selected now. Don't invest. Only write it somewhere in the diary and check the price after 10 years. What happened to these companies?
Surely, sir, we'll get back to you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Next team.
Maybe.
Yes,
Me
yes,
too?
please. Yeah, who was there? Bhavya Jain, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bhavya
Yes,
Jain.
sir, I can.
So, to whom I should give the co-host, right?
Sir, me. Bhavya.
Bhavya, let me give you. Where are you? Okay. I'm giving you the co-host, right? Now you are the co-host. You can present.
Yeah.
Yes, start.
Just a sec. So, is my screen visible to you?
Yes, yes, yes.
Anushka, please start.
Yeah. So, greetings everyone. I am Anushka Gupta. I'm one of the team leaders, and today I'm here along with my team to showcase the recent group task which was given to us, in which we had to create a newsletter and the portfolios of a company and compare them on the basis of the key ratios we have learned till now, be it the price to market, price to earning, market to sales, ROCE, ROE, the sales of the company, and their profit, net profit. So we had to work as a fund manager and we had to allocate the money, allocate the fund to different companies and analyze the market so that we can finally find where to invest our money. Now, if I talk about the learning outcomes, I would say that we learn to challenge ourselves and to challenge our minds so that we can go in depth and find how we can find a good company. We can search for a good company. We finally we learn how to diversify the companies on the basis of high confidence, low confidence, and allocate the sections of our money to the company so that they can give good returns to us in the coming years.
So, sir, first of all, I need to inform you the companies which we have selected. We have tried not to select some common companies like Infosys, TCS, or Tata companies. We have tried to give our time and efforts to those companies which are not very familiar and very known. So if I talk about the company's allocation, we have chose 20 companies, and on the basis of these parameters, we have studied like ROCE, ROE, BER, pledge percentage. We have prioritized and we have categorized these 20 companies into three segments. That is high confidence, medium confidence, and low confidence. Now, obviously, if we are investing in some company, we will invest a large amount of portion into companies which we highly trust, then followed by the mediumly trust, and then we will invest minimal amount of money to the companies which we have low confidence on. So we have prepared this table of 20 companies, and along with the reasons for allocation, why we have chosen these companies. Like if we talk about ABB India Limited, we have chosen this because it has strong profitability ratios, like it shows good ROCE, ROE, PEPR, BB ratios, and also it has pledge percentage exactly zero. So we have mentioned every reason for allocation of these 20 companies. So now followed by the actual amount of investment into these companies, we have noted down as on 15th December 2025. We have noted down the current price of all these 20 companies, and then we have allocated the number of shares we need to buy for the company, and along with the correct exact investment amount, as you can see here. So now if I talk about this graph, on the basis of these chart, we have analyzed this chart and created a graph which shows that 6 companies were the one we have high confidence in, 12 companies were for medium confidence, and 2 companies were for low confidence. And on this graph, we have also divided the exact amount and the percent ratio. For example, high conviction, high confidence companies, we have invested 54.9% in high confidence companies, 43% in medium confidence companies, and 0.64% in low conviction. And we have also mentioned the exact amount we have invested in all these 3 segments. If I talk about the portfolio snapshots, a quick recap, we have the total budget of 50 lakhs, but we have only invested 49 lakhs 51,941 rupees, which the approximate savings are 48,059. And we have investment horizon of 20 days. That total 20 companies were selected. And according to the benchmark of Nifty 50, we expect after 20 days, that is on 5th January, an expected return of 4 to 6%. We are not promising higher returns, but based on the logics and analysis, we expect an estimate of 4 to 6% return. Now I hand over to Vidhan.
Sir, I have just a request.
Yes, please.
Sir, may I speak in Hindi a little bit?
Yes, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा अगर आप हिंदी में बोलेंगे तो.
Yes, sir. Okay. So हमने ऊपर की मतलब जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें जो फर्स्ट पेज में हमें दी हुई हैं, तो उसी से रिलेटेड हमने एक पाई चार्ट यहाँ पे बनाया हुआ है जिसमें हम देख सकते हैं कि हमारी फंडिंग्स का 20 कंपनीज में कितना शेयर गया है. अब अगर हम यहाँ बात करें सबसे ज़्यादा शेयर किस कंपनी के पास गया है, तो वो एबीबी इंडिया लिमिटेड के पास, और वो सबसे कम शेयर जो हमारा गया है वो गया है मदरसन सुमी लिमिटेड के पास. तो अब हम यहाँ बात करें रेफरेंस की, हमने कौन कौन सी साइट से हमने रेफरेंस लिया है. तो हमने रेफरेंस लिया, हमने स्क्रीनर से लिया है, यूट्यूब से लिया है, एनएससी इंडिया से लिया है, एनुअल रिपोर्ट से लिया है, और कंपनी वेबसाइट से लिया है. तो अब मैं नैतिक को माइक हैंड ओवर करना चाहूँगा.
So these are our top 6 companies which we have selected in the comparison between PE, PS, and MS. And in conclusion, I have to say that this portfolio demonstrates a systemic method of choosing allocation stocks and fundamental, helping portfolio building and comparison with our benchmark Nifty 50 and short-term market. And these are my recommendations that more allocation gives to financially stable firms with steady earnings and the medium exposure to that companies which are growth constrained stocks and the minimum allocation to volatile companies that for preventing risk and ensure diversification. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes,
And
Bhavya.
at last, I want to show you the research analysis our whole team has prepared. This, if you can see the spreadsheet.
Excellent.
The,
Excellent.
we have seen the green one shows the high
I
conviction.
would like, please show this to your teachers in the school. They will be
Yes.
proud of you. They will be proud of you. I'm
So we
telling
have
you.
different parameters. We have analyzed the data, given the task to all of our interns, which were active, and we have done the research on everything, that whether the company has good cash flow, sales growth, profit growth, all the parameters that you have taught us, that it should be 3 times in the next 10 years, and the
What,
green.
Bhavya, what I will do, I will plan a session of teachers next time and I will call you as a guest. And you people have done excellent work, excellent work. From which school you are, Bhavya?
The Silver Line School, Silver
Okay,
Line District School.
I'm coming to your school on 23rd, and one chocolate is due from my side to you.
Thank you, sir.
Whole team members. I think whatever the chocolate you want. Anushka, Bhavya, and whole team. Anushka, you are from the same school, if I am correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
yes.
Naitik is also from the same
Even,
school.
even
Okay.
Epic.
Very good, very good. 3 chocolates due. Okay, please remember to meet me on 23rd in your school. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent work. Excellent work. And I was going through the companies selected by you people are the Sanofi, the Colgate Palmolive, Hindustan Unilever, Oracle Finance. Oracle Finance, if you have reached to Oracle Finance, na, I can assume how much research you have done.
Sir, yes, we spent quite a lot of time.
Excellent company.
Sir, fund
Excellent.
management तो बाद में हुआ था. पहले we spent the whole days on choosing the companies.
Very good, very good. Excellent, excellent. Polycap, Castrol, Crisil means excellent. Please, may I humble request, keep this portfolio and on Excel and note their price after every 1 year. After 5, 6, 7, 8 years ना you will find कि अगर हमने इसमें 10-20 लाख रुपए लगा दिए होते ना तो पता नहीं कितने बन जाते हैं.
Yes, sir. Fine, definitely.
Thank you very much. You people are too good, too good.
Thank you, sir.
सर
Thank
Very
you,
good,
sir.
very good.
Thank you, sir.
Let's
Excuse me,
move
sir.
to yes.
Sir, can we present now?
Geet, it is very difficult that you people all are wanting to present first, but please give me time. Let me see. I have seen the first hand of Chesta. So let's hope it may be that you have raised the hand first, but I could not see. So then I let me write. Let me write first is Chesta. Then we have Ananya. Then we have Lekhni. Then we have
Sorry to interrupt. My name is
Geet.
Anya.
Anya, extremely sorry, Anya. Anya. Okay. So Chestha, then Anya, then Lekhni, then Geet. And after that, I will see who is present. Okay. So I'm giving right to Chestha. Chestha, who will present from your team, you or someone else?
So I'll be presenting from my
So
team.
should I give you co-host right?
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay. So now you are co-host and you can start presentation.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I'll just share my screen and
Others, please hands down. I have
so
already
please let
written
me
the,
know if you can
yeah,
share my screen.
yeah, your screen is visible.
Okay, sir. Um, okay, sir. May I start?
Yes, please.
Okay. Greetings to one and all present, sir, fellow interns, co-leaders, leaders, to everyone watching this on YouTube. Everyone, greetings to all. My name is Cheshta Sharma. I'm an 11th grader from commerce background from ITU Public School, and I as the co-leader of Edutri Finance Nexus Alpha Division, will be presenting our company portfolio. So, a quick review on the task we were given. We were allocated 50 lakhs as a budget to invest in minimum 20 and maximum 30 companies. And our team chose to invest in a total of 23 stocks. So, as we can see here, we have invested in 8 large cap companies, 9 mid cap companies, and 6 small cap companies. We have chosen market capitalization as a basis for division. So as we can see over here, we have invested all our budget, 50 lakhs out of 50 lakhs. And in this pie chart, we can see that, okay, we have chosen to invest majorly in mid cap companies, which is 50%. Then after that, 30% in large cap companies and 20% in small cap companies. So the reason why we invested in majorly mid cap companies is because of majorly two reasons. Firstly, that they have significant growth potential. They have a major potential and major possibility of them being tomorrow's future of being tomorrow's large cap market leaders. So that is one reason, and the second reason is that they hit that they hit that perfect sweet spot for investors, which is a balance of risk and stability. So because of that, they are less volatile than small cap companies, but they are more agile and more flexible than large cap companies. So that is why we chose to invest majorly in mid cap companies. And our division of funds for this is 15 lakhs for large cap companies, 25 lakhs for mid cap companies, and 10 lakhs for small cap companies. The factors which we took into consideration for this are we divided them into two. Firstly, the fundamentals, which are ROCE, return on capital employed, uh, and then ROE, return on equity, ROIC, return on investment capital, PE ratio, debt equity ratio, profitability, and earnings consistency.
And other than that, we also took in some technicals, which are DMA 20, which is daily moving average of 20 days, RSI, and we also took in volume confirmation. So the reason why we took in DMA 20 is because it is a common technical indicator and it can be used to assess short-term price trends and market sentiments. So and it usually appears below the price chart, and when we mainly see the price charts, when we mainly see the charts. And RSI, because it tells if a stock has been bought or sold too much. So for example, if for example if a stock goes up really fast, its price might fall down soon, or vice versa, and that helps investors figure out whether they should invest in it or not, if it's worth the risk or not. And volume confirmation, it basically shows how many people agree with the price, with the direction of the price. So for example, if a lot of people agree that yes, I like where the price of this asset or this stock is going, it will show heavy and or overheated, and that means it's a good thing. Otherwise, if not a lot of people agree with the direction of the price of the stock or asset, it will show low or underheated. Apart from that, we have this is the list of the companies we have chosen to invest in. So 1 to 8 is large cap companies, 9 to 17 is mid cap companies, and 18 to 23 is small cap companies. So yes, sir, that was our presentation.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. But I'm so happy that I have not even touched DMA and RSI, and you have included this in your presentation. Have you gone through some of my video, or where you got to know about DMA and RSI? Because we are yet to start those things in technicals.
It was actually a group effort. So the others who knew about these things, for example, our leader Farzan and Alia and Dipesh and a few other interns in our group. So they knew
So
about it
they
and they
have
told us about it.
already done our internship with us, or they have
No,
gone
sir.
through some videos.
So
Okay,
this is
very
what they know from their previous research and knowledge about the finance world and the stock market world, and they shared that knowledge with us, and we as a team decided to take that factor into consideration, because we decided that that's a really good factor to consider, and it's really cool that we know this before sir has even told us about it, so we decided to include it.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. We will be doing these technicals tomorrow onwards. So next session, we are going to shift into the technicals, and we will talking a lot about these things. Very good. Excellent.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Geet, you want to say something?
No, sir,
Geet?
that's it.
Okay, okay. Alap, you want to say something?
No, sir, I was about to raise my hand to say I want to do the presentation next.
Next, we are going to, we have already written the name. I am writing your name after that. Anya, we are going to have the team Anya. Anya, should I give you
Yes,
the
sir.
co-host right or someone else?
No, the co-host will go to Aroho, and Aroho and Khwaish will be presenting.
Okay, so I am giving this co-host right to Aro. Aro, you are the co-host now.
Yes.
Please check. Do you have
Yeah.
the right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, now you can. Please, you can start.
I'm trying, sir. I'm trying.
Sorry, sir. Actually, something glitched and I left the meeting.
Okay, Aro is there or not?
Hello.
Hello. Yes, Aro, you can start.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to, but
Should we give it to next team so that you can check and we can do it for you next time?
okay, sir. After this,
After this.
just
So
after this.
Rekhni and team. Rekhni, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I'm the leader, and my intern, my team member, Dia will be presenting.
Who will
So
be
I will
presenting?
be Diya.
Diya.
She will be also speaking. I will be sharing the screen. So I
Okay,
think
so
we
should I give it to you? Please
Yes,
switch on
sir.
your camera so that I can see and give the co-host right to you.
Okay, sir. Just
Because for that I need. Okay, now you are the co-host. Lekini, you
okay,
can
sir.
check.
Please
Now you
one
are the co-host.
second.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. Start the presentation.
So just give me 1 second.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. I'm truly grateful for this opportunity to present our short term equity portfolio, which we prepared as a part of our internship. This experience has allowed us to move beyond theoretical learning and understand how financial concepts are applied in real market situations. We sincerely thank the mentors and the organization for trusting us with this responsibility. This project was a collective team effort by the team, the Deal Breakers. Our team leader is Lekani Bansal and our co-leader is Deepika. The members are Lekani, Deepika, Divyansh, Jaiditya, Pia, Nitya and Dia. Lekani, Deepika, Divyansh and Jaiditya worked extensively on Excel where they analyzed 25 companies in detail, compared their financial performance and shortlisted the most suitable one. They also played a key role in designing and structuring the final newsletter. Pia and Nitya gathered, verified, and organized the required information which formed the foundation of the newsletter content. My role in this project was to explain and present a complete portfolio. I focused on clearly communicating the logic behind sector selection, company's choice, and overall portfolio strategy, ensuring that complex financial data was explained in a simple and understandable manner. The portfolio we constructed is a 50 lakh diversified portfolio designed for a short term investment horizon of 20 days. Since this was a short term strategy, our objective was not aggressive risk taking, but rather stable and controlled returns. Therefore, we focused on financially strong companies with consistent performance and positive price momentum. While constructing the portfolio, we gave priority to the companies with rock-solid fundamentals, such as high profitability and low debt levels, to minimize the risk. We also selected companies that are leaders in their respective sectors and have competitive advantages, making them suitable for volatile short-term market conditions. Based on our analysis, we identified three key sectors poised for short-term growth. Banking and financial services were selected for their stability and consistent income streams. The information technology sector was chosen due to strong global demand and favorable currency movements. FMCG was included as a defensive sector as demand for essential goods remained constant even during market fluctuations. After analyzing all shortlisted companies, Infosys emerged as our top conviction pick. It is a large cap IT company known for its predictable performance, low volatility, and strong institutional confidence, making it ideal for a short term investment strategy. Infosys demonstrates strong financial performance with high return on equity and return on capital employed, very low debt levels, and a healthy dividend payout. These indicators reflect efficient management, financial stability, and steady growth potential, even within a short investment horizon. To conclude, this portfolio is well balanced and focuses on stability while aiming for short term gains. Infosys stands out as the strongest performer, aiming on our analysis. Though this internship, we gained practical exposure to equity analysis, data interpretation, teamwork, and professional communication, which has significantly enhanced our learning and confidence. Thank you once again for giving us this valuable internship opportunity. This experience have been extremely enriching, and I'm truly thankful for the guidance and support given. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dia and team. You people are too good. Too good portfolio. I was going through the stock. I was so busy in seeing your stock. Excellent stock pick. Excellent stock pick. Very good. Very good. I'm very happy reckoning with the work you people have done. Okay. Should we go with Anya? Anya, are you ready?
Yes, sir. I think we are
Sure.
ready.
Do you have co-host right now?
Aru will be the co-host. He says he can present.
Aro, do you have co-host right?
No, sir.
Okay. I'm giving it to you again. Maybe it has been. Okay. Now you are the co-host. Please check.
Yes, sir. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, it is visible. It is visible. You can start.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Aro Shrestha, and today I'll be presenting our portfolio along with uh, Khwaish. So
Hello
Khwaish,
everyone.
please.
Hello everyone. My name is Kwaish. I'm an intern at Edutri. So today I'm going to present our newsletter on the topic the strategic investor by Edutri Foundation. So volume one. So we have the portfolio architecture stability meets growth. The edition features a high conviction 50 lakh portfolio engineered for the defensive to moderate investor, our strategy to build on a foundation of best bet companies that prioritize capital efficiency and manageable leverage. The core portfolio stats total allocated 49.5 lakhs across 22 carefully selected stocks. Liquidity zero point 0.5 lakh cash buffer maintained for tactical rebalancing. Efficiency standards. Every selection targets on ROCE and ROE greater than 15% and a debt to equity ratio smaller than 1. So, sector deep dives. IT and technology. The efficiency engine allocation 11 lakhs. This sector serves as the portfolio's primary driver for generating high returns with minimal debt. The giants, TCS, 4 lakhs and Infosys, 3 lakhs, led the pack with exceptional ROE 35 to 38%. This means every 100 rupees invested, they generate roughly 30 to 38 in profit. Growth play. Persistent systems, 1.5 lakhs command a higher PE 30 and TCS 23.6, signaling strong market exceptions for its mid-cap expansion. Risk profile extremely low sector DE 0.3 to 0.5 ensures those firms remain resilient during global economic slowdowns. Let me hand over to Aro now.
Thank you, Khwaish. Now, building on the foundations that my colleague built, in banking, we prioritize asset quality. HDFC and ICICI Bank are our core anchors, while we include high growth players like Bajaj Finance, which has a ROE of 22%. We remain mindful of its higher leverage, a typical trade for a scaling NBFC. Our consumer play focuses on premium brands. HUL or Hindustan Unilever Limited is our efficiency star with a staggering ROE of approximately 90%. We also hold DMart, which carries high PE of 115, signaling the market's massive expectations for its future retail dominance. In strategic sectors, defense, we see HAL as significantly undervalued relative to its massive government under order book. Auto and EV. Maruti acts as a stable anchor, while Tata Motors is a growth bet on the EV revolution. Energy. Reliance and Tata Power are leading our transition into green hydrogen. No portfolio exists in a vacuum. We closely monitor five critical drivers. First, US or EU. These directly impact IT budgets for firms like TCS. Two, the union budget. We look for Make in India mandates affecting HAL and L&T. Three, monsoon monsoon cycles. These drive rural purchase power HUL and Maruti. Fourth, EV policy. Government subsidies are vital for Tata Motors. Fifth, RBI policy. Repo rate changes impact banking margins. Excuse me. To keep this portfolio on track, we perform an annual rebalance if any stock weighs deviates more than 2% and conduct quarterly tracking of all earning reports. In summary, this 50 lakh portfolio is a blend of efficiency, low debt, and strategic growth. It is designed not just to grow, but to endure. Thank you for your undivided attention.
Thank you very much, team. Thank you very much. You people are too good, and I'm very happy to see that you have given reasoning for every selection. Every selection, why particular sector has been selected and why particular stock has been selected. You have given reasoning for that. That is too good. Too good. You can stop sharing the screen now. You can stop sharing the screen now.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm not saying what will happen to your portfolio, but the reasoning part which you have done, that is too good. Excellent. Excellent.
Thank
Uh,
you, sir.
Geet and team. Geet, are you there?
Sir, is my voice clear?
Yes, it is very clear. Should I give the co-host right to you or someone else?
No. Um, can you give the co-host rights to Tanya?
Yes, I'm giving it to Tanya. Tanya, check your co-host now. Tanya, can you check?
Just a second, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Just a second. So is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible.
May we begin, sir?
Yes, please.
Good evening, everyone. I am Geet Baksani, the leader at Edutri Internship. I would like to present our newsletter with my team intern, Tanya Devnani.
Good evening, everyone present here and the students and participants over YouTube. I am Tanya Devnani and my team leader is Geet Baksani. We are from the school, the Palace School. So let's quickly take through a newsletter. This newsletter basically captures everything we have been working on, learning and achieving together over past few weeks. So let's start with the big picture. This newsletter compares 23 Indian listed companies using key valuation metrics like market capitalization, PE ratio and PB ratio.
Simple words, it helps us understand questions like how big is the company? Is the stock expensive or cheap? Is it going to give us good returns? Will it be beneficial for us? Which sector does it belong to? All of this is done using publicly available financial data. So it's transparent, practical, and purely authentic.
Now, before jumping into the companies, the newsletter explains some important financial terms. First, market cap. This is basically the total market value of a market. Large cap companies are usually stable. Small cap companies can grow faster but are riskier. Big market cap usually means a bigger, more established company.
Next, we have is return on equity capital, which is ROCE. It shows how well a company uses all its capital, both own money and borrowed money, to generate profits. ROCE shows how well a company uses all its capital, both own money and borrowed money, to generate profits. Next, we have ROE, which shows how efficiently a company uses stakeholders' money to generate profit. Higher ROE generally means better management efficiency.
Pricing to return PE ratio shows how much investors are willing to pay for each rupee of a company's earning. High PE is equals to high growth expectations, and low PE is cheaper valuation or lower growth outlook. PB ratio compares market price with the company's net asset value. This ratio shows how much debt a company has compared to shareholders' funds. Low ratio is equals to financially safer. High ratio is equals to high risk, especially when interest rates rise. The newsletter studies companies from a wide range of sectors like IT, pharma, banking,
Can you please scroll down the newsletter?
pharma
Next,
banking, power infrastructure, FMCG, energy, and healthcare. Some well-known names includes TCS, Infosys, ITC, NTPC, and Larsen and Turbo, Maruti Suzuki, Sun Pharma, Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda, Oil India, Adani Ports, and many more.
newsletter studies companies from a wide range of sectors like IT, pharma, banking, power, infrastructure, FMCG, energy, and healthcare. Some well-known companies include TCS, Infosys, ITC, NTPC, Larsen and Turbo, Maruti Suzuki, Sun Pharma, Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda, Oil India, Adani Ports, and many more. First insight, large cap stability. Companies like TCS, Infosys, ITP, Larsen and Turbo, and NTPC fall into this category. These companies usually have moderate PE.
Thank you very much, Greet. Thank you very much, Greet and Tanya. I was going through the shares selected by you people. The companies like TCS, LG, Maruti means you have selected two good companies. Two good companies. I must say that you have done a lot of research before selecting the company. And the best thing which you people have planned, you have planned the risk. You have not chased the return. You have planned the risk that I can see from your portfolio. Please let me know, is it right or wrong? You have tried to means minimize the risk while planning your
Yes.
portfolio.
So the
Yeah.
risk factor, we have worked upon the risk
Yes,
factor a
yes.
lot.
So that was a crucial thing which you have done. Excellent, and I must say, means congratulate Geet that she is sitting somewhere where noise is coming. Still, she is managing to speak. Excellent way, excellent. I am very happy, Geet, with your dedication of the work. Very good, very good. Thank you, Geet. Thank you very much, Tanya.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you. Now we have who is this? Alap. Alap. Alap, should we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm giving you, should I give you co-host, right, or someone
No,
else?
no, no, sir. You give co-host to Adit Sharma.
Okay, I'm giving co-host right to Aditya Sharma. Now Aditya Sharma is co-host. Okay, Aditya, you can go ahead.
Yes,
And it will be better if you introduce yourself with your school name or city, something like that.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. We have created a 20-day equity portfolio for this presentation. We, as in my teammates, Adit Sharma, Akriti, Saksham, and I. Our objective for this portfolio was to balance growth, focus on strong, well-known companies for stability, and reduce risks. Um, Adit, yeah, the presentation hasn't moved. Thank you. Thank you. Now over to Saksham.
And my name is Saksham and I'm from St. John's School, Hyderabad. So, how are we going to select the companies? We are going to select the companies through various ratios, like P ratio, which stands for price to earning ratio, ensuring the stock is reasonably priced. Second one is PB ratio, which means price to book value. which assessing the company's actual value versus market value. And the sales, third one, understanding revenue strength and potential. Each company was compared with its past performance and sector peers. Now hand over to Alok.
We have carefully selected a pick of large cap stocks from various sectors like Reliance Industries for energy or retail, HDFC Bank for banking, ITCS for IT services, and Larsen and Toubro for infrastructure to name a few. Over to Adit.
Here we talk about mid-cap stocks with their total mid-cap allocation of about 20 lakhs. Here we can talk about some names such as Indian Hotels, Signity Technologies, and Natco Pharma, each being such as hospitality, IT, and pharma. Here we can see that they are related to travel and tourism, and Signity being growing mid-size IT company, and Natco Pharma being about export pharma growth. Over to Alap.
We have invested in 5 companies with 2 lakhs each in small cap stocks like Moil, Sarda Energy and Minerals, Jyoti Resins and adhesives to name a few, with the sectors of mining, metals, resources, and to ancillary chemicals. Now over to Adit.
Here we're talking about sector allocation logic. By diversifying across sectors, it helps reduce risk of spreading investments across different industries, helpful in prevention of overdependence on any singular sector so that it can take charge even if it falls short. We have such as banking and finance for stability, regular earning and strong balance sheets, energy, power and telecom for essential services with long-term demand and steady revenue, healthcare and pharma for defensive sector with constant demand and protests during volatility, IT and technology for steady export demand and long-term digital growth, infrastructure and metals for growth for government spending and developmental projects, and FMGC and consumer with stable demand even during slow economic periods. Over to Akriti.
The last one is my slide. This is not.
It is actually over to
Alap.
Saksham.
Yes, banking and finance, which is also known as the economic backbone. Bank and NBFCs provide stability, regular earnings, and strong balance sheets, forming the backbone of the economy. We have taken some banks like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and SBI Bank. Hand over to Adit.
Here we're talking about IT and technology with driving digital growth. IT companies benefit from steady export demand and long-term digital growth, offering predictable cash flows. Here we have TCS with stable growth with global clients, Infosys with strong export demand, and Signity Technologies as a growing mid-sized company. Over to Akriti.
Thank you, Adit. Conclusion, overall, this portfolio has been carefully designed with the objective of achieving a balanced mix of safety, stability, and growth. And this was achieved by selecting companies across large cap, mid cap, and small cap segments. The stock selection was done in a structured and analytical manner using fundamental valuation metrics such as PE ratio, PB ratio, and market cap to sales. This portfolio represents a practical and educational learning experience. It also demonstrates how diversification, valuation analysis, and sector allocation plays a crucial role in portfolio construction. It effectively reflects how a well structured portfolio can balance growth opportunities and control risk. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, team. You people have done excellent work. I was going through the diversification part. You have the sector allocation and the company allocation by you people are too good. Excellent, excellent. I'm very happy. Any team which has not presented and want to present? All of you have presented. Thank you very much. Now, anyone wants to give some feedback of your learning, anything, or
Sir,
any
we haven't presented yet.
you want to present?
Yeah, sure.
Now, where is your team? I can't see you people. Switch on your cameras. How many of you are presenting? Okay, Rakhi.
Yes, sir. I'm the group leader actually.
और आपके साथ और कौन होगा? माही.
Mahi, Daniel, and Ridhi.
Okay, and to whom should I give the co-host right? किसको दे दूं मैं आपका? You are from the government school of Delhi, if I'm correct. क्या मैं
Yes,
सही
sir.
हूँ? I'm very
Yes, sir.
happy. I'm very happy that you people have decided to present. I'm very happy. Very
Thank you,
happy.
sir.
Please. और मैं चाहूँगा whatever the language you want to use English, Hindi, mix, whatever you want to use. I want to see your presentation. Okay. Don't worry about.
Sir, we are comfortable in English, so
Okay,
we are
very
going to
good.
present in English.
Okay, very good. To whom should I give the co-host right?
Sir, Ridhi.
Where is Nidhi? I can't see her. Nidhi, switch on your camera, please. She is there or not? I can't see her. Please check. मुझे तो नहीं दिख रही कहीं पे भी. You people check, please. Riddhi is there. Should I give Riddhi? Riddhi or Nidhi?
Sir, Ridhi.
Riddhi. Okay. Now Riddhi is co-host. Please check. She is co-host now.
Yes, sir,
रिद्धि.
Ridhi.
हाँ. रिद्धि आप प्रेजेंट करोगे?
Yes, sir. Just a second.
Okay.
Just 1 minute, sir. Yes, sir.
आपके पास co-host right है? दिख रहा है प्रेजेंट करने का स्क्रीन?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, are you able to see my screen?
Not yet.
1 second.
Should I guide or should I help you, Riddhi? Some problem is there?
Yes, sir. It isn't. 1 second.
If you can send it to someone else from your team, they can present. Chester, from which school you are?
Sir, me?
Yes.
Sir, I'm from ITL Public School, Dwarka.
Okay, very good, very good. You people are happy with your work you are doing?
Yes, sir, definitely. It's a very good learning experience. I'm really enjoying it.
Very good, excellent.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Riddhi?
Sir, actually, the screen isn't showing. I've been doing it, but
If you can send it to the group, I can present if you want.
yes, sir. Sir, I'll send it in the group.
Yeah, send the PPT to the group and I will present from there here.
Sir, I've sent it.
I have not received it yet.
Sir,
This is 7-page letter you have present?
yes, sir.
Okay, let me present it from my side and then you people can speak. Okay. Let me send it to. I need 1 minute to open this.
Yes, sir.
This is Blue and White Modern Academy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what it mean by Blue and White Modern Academy?
Sir, actually, it is the template that we use, so we did not have the time to rename it.
Okay. Okay, not a problem.
Sir, I can present now. I'm getting that option now.
Okay, you can do if you want.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, I have opened it. Okay, very good. Yes, it is coming. You can start.
So should I start?
Yes, yes, please.
Hello everyone, I'm Rakhi, the group leader, and I'm excited to introduce today's presentation. Our team has worked hard to put together a great presentation, and I'm confident it'll be informative and engaging. Without further ado, I'll hand it over to Daniel, who'll take you through our work. Over to you, Daniel. Daniel.
If he is not there, next member can start.
Sir, I'll start.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. Today we are here to present our investment strategy for allocating rupees 50 lakhs in the stock market based on the detailed study and long-term financial vision. Initially, our plan was to analyze 25 different companies from various sectors. However, during our research, we conducted an in-depth evaluation of 11 shortlisted companies based on financial performance, market leadership, growth potential, and corporate governance. After this comparative analysis, five companies clearly stood out as the most reliable, future ready, and value creating options. Therefore, instead of spreading the investment thinly, we decided to focus on quality over quantity and build a strong, concentrated long term portfolio. Now, I would like Ria to explain the rupees 50 lakh allocation, the rationale behind selecting these companies.
Uh, thank you, Riddhi. The purpose of our investment was to allocate 50 lakh rupees in a structured and practical manner. Keeping in mind risk management, sector balance, and long term sustainability. Instead of spreading the amount across many companies, we selected five companies that represent different sectors of the economy. This helps reduce dependency on any single industry. Investment allocations and reasonings are: first is Reliance Industry. We invested 15 lakh rupees in Reliance Industries because Reliance operates in multiple sectors such as energy, retail, and telecommunication. Investing a high amount here provides diversification within a single company and adds sustainability to the portfolio. Second is Tata Consultancy Services or TCS. We invested 12 lakh rupees in TCS because TCS has a long track record of consistent performance and stable revenues. It was selected to ensure reliability and steady returns over the long term. Our third company is Infosys. We invested 10 lakh rupees in Infosys because Infosys was included to maintain exposure to the IT sector. The company has shown stable growth services, making it suitable for long term investment. Fourth is Vedanta. We invested 8 lakh rupees in Vedanta because Vedanta represents the natural resources sector. This sector supports infrastructure and industrial growth, and its inclusion helps in sectoral diversification. Fifth is K Solves 5. K Solves. We invested 5 lakh rupees in K Solvis company because K Solvis India is a comparatively smaller company. A limited allocation was made to balance the portfolio by adding growth potential while controlling risk. Overall, this allocation ensures a balanced mix of stability and growth while keeping the investment aligned with long term financial objective. Next, I would like to continue with Daniel.
Thank you, Mahi. The greatest strength of this investment strategy lies in its long term vision. Diversification reduces overall risk. Blue chip companies provide stability and trust. Growth oriented companies increase return potential. Our focus was not only on the short term profits, but also on strong business fundamentals, ethical management practices, sustainable future growth. If that if this portfolio is held for the next 10 to 15 years, the initial investment of 50 lakh has the potential to grow exponentially, creating significant wealth over time. This project has helped us understand that successful investing is not about chasing numbers, but about believing in strong businesses and long term vision. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much. Mana, this presentation, I'm very happy. I was not expecting these kids to present. That was not my expectation. Mahi, you are from school?
Sir, SKV Avantika.
Okay. And Riddhi is from same school?
No, sir. I'm from NK Bagrodia Public School, Rohini.
And Rakhi, you are from school?
Sir, same school from Mahi.
ओके वेरी गुड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। और मुझे आप लोग अपना एड्रेस देना स्कूल का, मैं आऊँगा और आप लोगों से पक्का मिलने के लिए स्पेशली आऊँगा, पक्का आऊँगा। You people are too good,
Sure,
too
sir.
good. When you join
Thank
this,
you, sir.
when you join this internship and I saw your school name and all, I thought कि ये बच्चे कैसे करेंगे। मेरे पास दुबई के स्कूल से बच्चे हैं, कतक के स्कूल से बच्चे हैं, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल के बच्चे, हाउ दे विल कोप अप। बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द वर्क यू पीपल आर डूइंग एंड नॉट गेटिंग आउट ऑफ दिस। एंड आई प्रॉमिस आज के 10 साल बाद आप बहुत अच्छी जगह होगे, बहुत अच्छी जगह होगे।
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so
That
much,
means a
sir.
ठीक
lot.
है।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Please,
sir.
please send me your school address, and someday, whenever I will be in Delhi, somewhere near to your school, I will come personally to your school, meet your principal, say something about you people to your principal. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Sir, please, sir, can I say something?
Yes, 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 please, Mahi.
Sir, actually, I'm saying that we are in class 11, so I request if you ever come, please come in within a 1 year so that we can meet you.
Yes, yes, certainly I will come. I will not come in 1 year. I will try to come in 1 month. I promise.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, Molly, you want to say something?
Hello, sir. Actually, I wanted to share a feedback about our this internship
Yes,
program.
yes, please, please, please.
So like it was in class 8 when I started with understanding about finances and internships and all these programs. I would not mention the name of the organization, of course, because we're having a live stream right now. But then I was involved in a mini MBA program. It was like a 1 week to 15 days program where we were supposed to take part as a team, the similar thing that we're doing right now. And one more additional feature of it was to have a Shark Tank feature, like the one we see it on TV. So we kids were given this Shark Tank competition, where from different parts of the country and even abroad, we will be joining up together, create a product, and we'll find out how to sell it and all. So there, my team actually got the first position. I was the leader there, and we actually created a portable air conditioner product. It was friendly for bachelors and students. So, and of course, the team had worked a lot, and the basically the presentation. So every member of my team, including me, we received the best speaker award there. And from there, my journey started in finances and all. So like this program, as soon as I'll let you know that I'm a PCB student. I'm not into commerce, I'm not into accounts, but still being a philomath, I wanted to explore this genre, I wanted to explore this field. So right now, learning all these things from internship programs, and there's so many students that are doing such great work. I mean, I have to give acknowledgement to each one of you. Not in my team, still I applaud for each one of you. It was a great time being there with you all.
Thank you, Molly. For from which school you are?
Sir, I'm Anushka from Delhi Public School, Bokaro.
Okay, Anushka, sorry, extremely sorry. And how much you paid for that mini MBA program?
Sir, it wasn't a paid program, it was a
Oh,
free. So, yeah,
free program. And you did in which class?
I was in class 8th at that time.
Eighth, and from 8th to 11th.
Yeah,
And this is your journey. I promise, I don't know, you are preparing for NEET or something?
not NEET, I'm into UPSC actually.
Oh,
So,
okay, okay, very good, very good, very good. Try to go towards some maybe IFS, maybe some RBI grade B or something like that, Texas and all. You will enjoy there. You will enjoy a lot there. Okay,
yes, sir.
good,
Thank you.
excellent, excellent. Anyone else want to share something about your learning? Any feedback? Any queries? Yes,
Sir, I have
Karthik.
a query.
Yes, yes, Mahi. Yes, please.
सर आई एम सेइंग दैट जब हम लोग जो आपने पिछली क्लास में कहा था कि को लीडर्स को अपनी अलग वो बनाना होगा, ग्रुप बनाना होगा, तो उसमें मैं कुछ उन बच्चों को ले सकती हूँ जो जिन्होंने रजिस्टर नहीं किया बट वो अभी भी विलिंग है करने के लिए।
बट अभी उसका अभी उसका एक टास्क मिलेगा अभी आप लोग को कि जिसका जो सपोज आपने एक असिस्टेंट इंटर्न लिया है तो हर इंटर्न को अपने असिस्टेंट इंटर्न को पढ़ाना है। तो सपोज आप अगर आपने 10 लोगों को ले लिया तो आप पढ़ाओगे कब, कैसे पढ़ाओगे? और फिर आप, तो इफ यू हैव पीपल हु आर लीडर्स and you can teach them because now we will be moving towards peers learning. The next step of this internship is peer learning. तो अगर आपने 10 लोगों को नए ले लिया जिनको आपको पिछले 15 दिन का कंटेंट पढ़ाना है तो क्या वो आसान होगा आपके लिए?
सर आई अग्री कि वो आसान नहीं होगा बट दे ऑल आर विलिंग टू डू ऑल द एफर्ट्स एंड दे विल कोप अप
तो
विद
तो
दिस।
तो बेटर आप उनको क्या करो, हमारे सारा इंटर्नशिप लाइव है, यूट्यूब पे पड़ा हुआ है। गिव देम टास्क फॉर 2 days, ओके, गो थ्रू दीज वीडियोस एंड देन यू योरसेल्फ चेक देम एंड इफ यू फाइंड कि ओके ठीक है इन्होंने किया है काम, देन ओनली इंक्लूड देम। अदरवाइज अल्टीमेटली यू विल बी एट द लॉस एट द एंड। पता चलेगा आपने तो कुछ अच्छा करने की कोशिश किया बट वो लोग की वजह से आपके अपने खुद की इंटर्नशिप पीछे रह गई।
या श्योर सर बट अगर वो कर लेते हैं तो मैं
कर लेते
उन्हें
तो यू
ग्रुप
कैन
में
इंक्लूड,
ऐड
यस
करूँ।
यस यस, देन यू कैन डू दैट। आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम विद दैट। ओके
ओके ओके सर थैंक यू।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू। यस कार्तिक।
So, first of all, good evening to all. I would also like to share about the short journey of mine in finance sector. So, it have been like 3 years right now. I started when I was in grade 11th when one of my teacher, accounts teacher basically, told me about the internship of Edutri in winters. So, it was a great pleasure to have you meeting the great author as well in that time. So it felt very heartwarming and was eagerly waiting each year to do this internship. So uh, from in 12th as well, when the internship came, I definitely applied for it, but I didn't have time regarding at that because boards were there. So I was actually not able to do that at that point of time. So then again in college, in summer only I applied for the internship, but again the same problem arose. I have CUET classes at night and some problem were there with me. Wasn't able to attend the lectures and meetings I want at 8:30. So then I was eagerly waiting to have Sunil sir to have one of more internship so that I can be a part of it and try to exaggerate myself in some field which I love to be. And stock market felt very interesting to me when I first started it. Right now, I'm actually not well. My throat is very paining, but still, I want to share it with all of you that it's a great pleasure to have Sunil sir teaching about stock market because it's amazing and you definitely learn with this space. You're going to succeed more in life.
Thank you very much, Karthik. Thank you very much for your kind words. Take care of yourself. Yes, Chesta.
Yes, sir, I was actually having an issue with a previous task I had done. So, that task where the co-leaders had to send out a mail, uh, to like invite other people to join their team. On my Gmail, I was receiving mails from Gmail back again and again that there was an issue with the delivery of the mail. It's showing delivery incomplete to this email ID, to this email ID again and again. And I've received about 7 to 8 by now, and it's only coming more and more. So I wanted to ask you as to what I should do about it.
Maybe their inbox is full to whom you are sending. That can be the only issue. Sometimes it happens कि if their inbox is there is a limit of 15 GB or something like that, and if it is full,
Yes,
then
sir.
they do not receive the emails. So something is that you can't do anything. Only those people are supposed to do to whom we are sending mails. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then thank you very much, everyone. Do your tasks, whatever has been told to you. And tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with the technicals and we will running technicals. Let's see what we do there. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for joining.